Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're asked, what do all members of the family of linear functions f of x is equal to c minus x have in common? And we're asked to sketch several members of the family. So if we look at this, we have f of x is equal to c minus x. What I'm going to do is I'm going to rearrange these things right here just to make it a little bit more familiar. If we turn this into f of x is equal to negative x plus c, this is in slope-intercept form. And we can see that all of these functions have the same slope, right? Since this is equal to f of x is equal to negative 1x plus c, all of the functions in this family have a slope of negative 1, and they're simply differentiated by c having different y-intercepts. So what would it be if we sketched several members of this family? Well, if we graph f of x by x, what we would have is a family of functions. They are all parallel lines with slope negative 1, and the difference is their varying c values. They're varying y-intercepts that space them apart.